guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today is exciting, guys. You know where I'm at. We're back at it again. Got the avocado whips all shined up. I just drove here from Cleveland. Had to clean a multitude of bugs off the front end of this thing. Quick detail because it ran for like 3 minutes, which is actually kind of unfortunate because yesterday I did a full detail on the truck for the first time. I did a full wash with the foam can and all of it. It was actually kind of entertaining, so I'm gonna roll that back now. And the third thing I picked up, I did not get the wash and wax this time. This is some thick stuff. Alright, so this pole was absolute trash. It like literally, this joint was slipping. It like doesn't hold, look at that, it's tight and it slides. So I gave up on that, broke out my speed pole, and thankfully the threads are the same. Look at this. I legitimately have an actual usable pole now. This is awesome. So yeah, cleaning that thing is a chore. However, like I said, the speed pole fits right in the mop I bought, so we're gonna use that. But yeah, we're heading down to Muscle Mash, and we're gonna have a great time tonight. Hopefully see a lot of you guys there, and just have a good time overall. So let's get it. That's called Green Go. That was the option I wanted, but then they didn't have it, so I was gonna go with Plum Crazy, but then they brought back Sublime, so that's how I ended up with the Sublime charger. So we're actually at Muscle Mash here. It's super cool. Truck back there. It was definitely the modeling truck a little bit ago, but I met a lot of you guys already, which is awesome, and we're just having a good time here. It's actually cooling down finally because there's clouds, but
yeah, they were predicting hail, but they ended up not having.
There's a little demon action there.
I think it's just recentering.
Which is crazy because like this, I don't know, like feeling mine and like another pretty much 101 horsepower, like how much is like the difference? Like I actually would like to feel it. I'm sure this well, that's the difference. But I'm sure it'd be absolutely nutty, but still.
Yeah, these things take off like crazy.
But yeah, I would actually like to know the difference in like feeling power wise. Cause if I had 100 horsepower to mine, does it make it a demon?
Yeah, no. Makes it 100 more horsepower Hellcat.
Literally same motor and everything. It's a 6.2 supercharged. It's got the computer, the air intake.
No, you're right. Yeah.
It's got the computer to tune the air intake to get it to this. I kind of feel like a dick for parking in 2 spots. I do feel like a dick, but I had to.
Yeah, I mean, you wouldn't be able to open your door though either way.
I know.
If you were to park in
so I felt like a dick, but I just had to. But yeah, we're all posted up here. Front drive shaft still missing. Got to do that. But we also got our speed pole set up. We got the one running today, which is awesome. It just clean look. It's a clean. I know it's a clean look just for the holiday here coming up. So speed pole kicking it.
Oh
hey, no, look at that.
1550s?
No. Look.
What's that? Side
New
by side?
Cummins, 5th gen Cummins over here.
Oh yeah, he's way over there.
That's nice.
Dude brought his side by sides. Another mojito.
Yeah, look at this Tacoma too. That Tacoma's definitely stanced. Wow. Kaufman's Nova. Dude, Kaufman's Nova is actually sick.
Everybody buckle up, a Mustang's next.
Oh man, he's still going. This Mustang might crash.
Buckle up, Mustang's next.
This Mustang might crash. Sideways. Now we got some real power.
Don't ruin it, Challenger. You didn't bring your charger now?
Yeah, I wanted to just light this thing up.
The problem is he wanted to bring his Charger, but I couldn't drive it because I wanted to drive my Jeep, and I also needed to get back down here. So I was using my own car to get back down from Cleveland after my trip. So I couldn't drive his car.
I'm upset. I really wanted to. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to stand here and not even take the table. I just want to. I wanted to stand here and I just light them up.
Taking pictures of us.
I couldn't get to the fast enough.
Almost had Hallie driving.
Yeah. Oh,
So
she shut up.
close.
Okay, more power. Nothing. Back for more. I did a burnout one day. It was coming out of my A-pillars for like a mile.
Dude, I'm loving it. Way more rowdy.
That G8 was insane.
Holy crap, man.
That thing was just going.
Did you see the inside of it?
Oh yeah.
I don't think he deserves a third film.
Third time.
They better be gone after this.
It's going straight to tire discounters.
That's not true. This is private property. Dude, that's hilarious. That's up, man. That's up.
Well, the thing is, he literally sees me with his camera, so he's just trying to lay down the law. Absolutely ridiculous. What?
So do they not have anything else better?
No. Literally. Oh wait, I think that was the fourth one. Absolutely ridiculous. Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They literally have nothing better to do.
He's like, I'm gonna go 25 till I get home.
I know. Oh.
My biggest request was always to include wing nights in my videos. The wings are more like justifiable on this camera than my phone. Look at this. But yeah,
Those make it look so small.
you don't know unless you know. Wing nights, always a good time. All three of them are my truck. I won best Ford.
Not you.
Not me.
69.
You're 69.
69.
43.
Is that you? You won best Mopar?
I don't know who 43 is.
Hey!
That's the
Black one?
that's the guy with the Ram. I fully expected that because I said that's the people who were here last year. I
Oh,
literally just telling him, I was like, it's either gonna be me or that black Ram because that was the guy who was here last year. It must be. It's the front drive shaft. I don't have it's the front drive shaft.
That is it.
It's the front drive shaft.
They knew it was missing.
They knew it was missing.
Judging by the reaction of the crowd, I feel like they were very disappointed. I feel like they were expecting you.
I know. I was expecting me. I was expecting me. Ladies, choice number 10.
We should just stop filming. We're not going to win shit, so we might as well.
Let's leave. We lost. We
He was
lost.
up there taking pictures with them earlier. They picked him because they love him. They don't love his ride. They just love him.
Oh, also that Ram's on 4 Giottos. That's why.
Yeah. Forgiatos.
Yeah, sorry, I don't have Forgiatos, but I got forged wheels.
Oh, and they're all together?
She won best Mopar. They're their husband and wife.
Rigged.
And he won best truck.
Damn,
Oh,
how
is
much-
that
how
the
much did
black
they-
car?
Yeah.
how much
See,
did
I
they
knew the
donate
same
to
thing
the
as last
event?
year, because they're, yeah.
Yeah, they were both here last year.
How much did they donate to the event?
Like $1 million.
To the event.
The $15 of the trophy cost.
Said the two best
He didn't even register.
That's you guys.
He says, wait, I registered. I said, yeah, I know.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. It's a good thing they sound so good. They won't do a burnout.
I know. I've never seen one.
Don't be a pussy.
Burnout!
Burnout!
Yeah.
Burnout! She is
He might try. He might try.
Oh,
Oh, he'll try. I want to see him.
He said he can. Let's see it.
I know that he's going to. He's going to. He doesn't give a shit what she
I
says.
would love to see that. Come on!
Do a burnout! Woo!
Let it eat!
Light him up!
Oh!
Go, go, go! Your son here is going the other way. You'll be fine. Here, go.
Good acceleration.
A for effort. It took a minute. He got there, though. He got there. Was that a mid-muff?
What's that?
Mid-muff on that one? That sounded good. It wasn't loud either. That just sounded good. Calm down. Calm down.
I shifted on that one. I was like,
He's like, ah! Right at us, right at us.
oh my
That was the purple Hellcat. That's
Yeah.
the one that did it last year. He did it down through there last year. It was
Now you're all probably mad.
Dude,
that you
I know.
can't
I
do
wanted to
yours.
bring mine. I literally
Too
want to
bad.
light this up.
You can't bring two cars.
Yeah.
Okay, well,
If you
he didn't
towed it,
trust,
you need a trailer.
They should have
well,
towed
he
it.
didn't trust Hallie driving it.
Well, I wouldn't either.
No one is. I totally just got hit by some rocks.
Yeah, so did I.
Yeah!
That's a huge surprise.
It's better than the Silverado.
It is.
Oh, yeah.
That was impressive, actually.
That was. The thing that sucks is I definitely cannot spin mine. I can roll coal, I can't spin mine.
Yeah.
Oh, it's weak.
The power tilt.
Oh my gosh.
I can't see shit.
Look at that.
Oh, damn. Oh, he's coming back for more. Not this guy, but...
How'd I do?
392 with the Pro Charger.
And what exhaust-wise?
I think he's got headers, catless mids, and maybe stock mufflers. I'm not sure. What to ask?
Because that's like not, I mean, that's like not loud, but that's like, that sounds good for what it is.
When it hits that one, it's like that
Yep.
one resonance that just like,
I know.
man, holy
Yeah.
That was AJ from last year?
yeah.
You did that? You sent me the video?
Dude, that thing's nutty.
Dude, where was this girl at?
I think she drove.
Oh.
It's like, I'm not riding with him.
Meet's pretty much winding down. They're trying to go get that over there. Trying to get that Ford running. But we're gonna go pull over by Blue Matter over there and get some pics. Super awesome meet. Just a fun time in general, guys. Like, even little things like this, just awesome. All right, guys, as you can see, literally parking lot is shut down. We were just here, me and Ben and Blue Matter. Well, we always know people by their Instagram names, but Blue Matter SRT was parked right here. We're just hanging out, having a good time talking. Literally everyone has left except us. So, yeah. But honestly, it was just a fun meet. A lot of stuff. Obviously, very few trucks here. This is more of a muscle mash, but there were in fact a couple trucks, which is awesome. But part of it made me want to wish I brought the Hellcat, but like this truck did get a lot of looks, that's for sure. Met a whole bunch of you as well, so that was super cool. But yeah, overall had a good time. Can't wait for Daytona. Daytona's just gonna be nutty because that's completely truck based. All the other meets this summer where I can actually take the Hellcat, that's to say I wish I brought it here because, you know, all those burnouts you saw, I wanted to rip one so bad, but obviously this truck cannot do that. Lots of truck stuff coming and lots of stuff, you know, even driving it here. Yes, I want to get re-gearing done. There's a lot of other dumb stuff I need to get done. If you guys enjoyed this video and you haven't been here before, please shoot this video a thumbs up. If you haven't come out to one of these meets yet, I'll keep you guys informed. Come out, hang out, have a good time. It'll just be awesome. And other than that, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned. I got stuff for the Charger being shipped in, so we'll get that put on next week. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't been here before, please get down to click subscribe. Take care. I will see you guys in the next video.